90s, heke dokiari very trendy geta goriri. Higher purchase.
Higher purchase.
Maria mathomire kindu gitagwo business education.
Igicoke gituika business studies.
Ithio twamithoma ABEd.
Ni mwakimithomete gatene. ABEd. Very basic.
Yes, of a maggie. Cheta what is sure you copy thirikari. Premium bond.
Treasury bond.
Treasury bond. So the matter in the 80s, all the way through to the early 90s, how it went trendy, and I think it is creeping back. Yes, and I don't know like economic crunch. Yes,
matuko macio.
Utiale pesa sigeto besa.
Bororio wa the nire miaka ya 80s.
Yes.
Goka na 80s kiambiriria.
Exactly. Because we were quite okay earlier on.
Twathiete wega biu.
No agikadu hagetufa. We kindu geto higher purchase. Higher purchase ri. Itore ogethie vegi osekiwe a facility. Etaroni urega. Yes. In modern day itago financing. Yes, financing negatigaine, asset financing, you name them. It's deep commerce. Yes, higher purchase today. No, na do mwene matoidi ido mo idesi higher purchase that never changed their lives.
Higher purchase was an entire topic.
Yes,
they do a business studies.
Yes, higher purchase ena shugo igere ko higher ko nugo ko.
And purchase,
yes,
which was the last,
yes,
of the process.
Exactly. Go to Kasietagore, and I remember that one because they did more money in the 90s. They did all Konyairo, you know. Go to Kasietawa Amido. Amido Degerika or Namudoni cannot click.
Asati Marikari correct Amidos.
Amido centers, if my memory serves me right today. Neo Yari, Neo Meta, ya brand, ya Masini Yago to Meta was singer.
Singer was very popular.
Of course, there was the other one, the traditional one, Yahana Karagitaka Masifagaso. Was it a to butterfly? Oh, God, yes. Yeah, Naka Masifagaso. Karagaten na fudi wagu agiagorire kau rogori ona ndabataraga ati andu agikombora ni rungu rwa muti buroti
kana rwembe ini rwa matuka.
Exactly. Agetekirio ni wa mangi aigeke
aigage charahani hau
oka akarekia matama hau mau ni musigire jati ni atumaga.
No hago te kairaka.
Matama mado no moro material ya iraka. And those people would not consult you no. Your choice of color.
Hapa na gutia choice ya color.
Dikati yaku ya green ne ya do kira kai ya pini kiyo kauge.
Kana eru.
O kauge.
Na marangi mauda.
Wanasa marangi mauda kotu. Tono na average matuko mau ni undu wokio re wari kuori guwe kivieri ta ithiori yakoro original material ni athirire
hore twairaka
material maria wakia na mori ndire kindu yokire tigo ganangu
ena ta mekova
yekane mubuto yakira wona kiana
agithaka mithako ya ngerekano.
That one. Everything is patched up. Ekarita ithio. Niguo akire machine yo ya butterfly. And there was the coveted Singer.
The premium one.
Singer was the Porsche Cayenne of sewing machines. It was the premium brand. Ndelu nie da yo Amido centers. Na wathia o kameo ya. Ukari hakahola.
Neo mudhiretu lipa mudogo.
Yes, it is good when you hijansa sasa. And most of the people mago rie machine ya Singer. They have never made a coin. Dago osona jwe tata siriaka. Maile tango Kimani ya miri. Yes. Na yo to Amidu.
Ona muthere yagurite. Nere oko ginyo muthe mucie.
And it was more silent. Eno ege hana kara itaka kiriari. Ya ita gari ya ditho. It was loud.
Singa de ari degede.
Singa was had a catarbo sort of on the araga woman. No, very manual.
Very manual.
New choice.
So era itagare ayo.
Ona mafudi magwa ikaeza hadu atidama gorwa giko.
Nyamuni uhura itaga.
Yes. Singa watu arare mugu ne athia. Ona fudi wa eno ege utura leso no ri. Eno ya jua kari tana menyere no ri. Ni aigua ni atwari rutu muhara itone.
Fudi wa singo giko kwaja ni ta uniform wa mutwarira ri.
Yes.
Fudi wa singa ne waikaragia kaguthukira ka. Ihenya no kainuka nayo.
Kwani jaga. No akaga uso sira. Nane kaba akiota generator. No mwakabyo kabyo. Kanyite vinga.
Nekagira giro diti.
Na singa ndo ne are break yacio. Eno age break ni kunyita. Lego ita.
Kona haya purchase.
Haya purchase icio area magorie cingeo. Aige. Ona matire mami huthira ati commercial. It was just an item of
prestige.
Hey, muchocho. You know, ona de ikara siti ngumye ikara na theini.
Ya ikara na theini.
Ajiro na wakora wathi gutumiro guo ko uri. Ndwaigira kawira orere. Ni ona ne ore. Ni ona aigera. Oke na wona ni anyitia furahi muno. Oke ro thiki oro wekire. Kaigua furahi yo ni abata.
Ni abata muno ndirari hau.
Tunure. Na mweke umaita mana. Singa ndiari yakwa ruo. Ndonyo ni cia icagi-ini. Iyo wathi yakwa mwe.
Kwa mwene.
And I think that is where that whole enterprise failed.
Na ndireciria nao aciendi ri.
Yes.
They had done very good social marketing.
They had.
Tondu ndiragia ndomo magurite macini icio cia wira uri.
Ona mo matakimenyire gucitumira. It was just a white elephant. It was actually white in color. You see, kile gwekite ri, the narrative they sold is macini yo kuria cia mbere ri. Kwa andu mathondeka nginya ngiri igana mweri. Well, some people would be very enterprising akagira material gekomba na kaje gutuma nginya uniform. Ere mai na passion. Ugakora guico kwa thukuru ri ni already ake.
No already uniform.
Ona acuragia hau jahake. Na mukere andu kuna uniform.
Atumiro runyatha runene.
Haya purchase. Runyatha rutakoronga na nguru ekira mugucuki.
Na ndo athia wiki ithatu.
Kwaje ru na rwataima we mbere ya andu kaigua. It would come on a free fall like a paratrooper. Aya parachute. Ora kia bao kuhinga kagwa. Ya. Haya purchase. Na kwa hiyo duka ige cietagwo ART. Icio nacio ni cia tahithia andu. ART ri I think it was called the African Retail Traders or something. Kou nakuo ri makimenya riu andu ri oko gwe kindu meriragiria makaga gukinyaniria ni prestigious items like electronics. Yes. Makianjia duka yao yari hari hakuhi na Kenya Cinema.
I remember.
Yes. Yaigagwo ma TV hau. Ukaigira ukero unapata TV leo. boss mundu aingira hau akoya TV twendo retio kindu
Asa.
yes
Ii.
TV na video. They also sold expensive furniture. Kwaja sofa set. Ina niwe ragwa atiriri. Karia.
Karia.
Waikariro.
Eno ngeino kamaringo.
Eno ngethi hamsare. Kana ndagureti. Ndonyo kubanya mari. Wake yaro TV.
Na wangi.
Rua Philips. Yes. Kana sanyo. Kiredio detachable. Na ciandikagwo hau na igekirwo karatathi gakandikwo bei. No ri rihaga. Ukona.
It's a very sweet deal.
It's a very sweet deal. Ndirakwira indo icio ikigirwo. What was I
thinking?
Yes. No, mono ni rari hawegari. Tondu I think you used to go pay physically.
Mono ni akirerua M-Pesa na hota hapo.
Yes. Mono ni rari hawegari ura service the whatever those installments. Ni mari andu mari very good sweet talkers. Makwira atiri. Wewe hata unaweza skua fridge. Uwe. Wacha kikurambe. Watangaragia rĩu nginya ũkauga atĩrĩrĩ ũchoose kĩrĩa ũkwenda gĩtahwo nĩ mwagoi kana indo hehu
Pakera fridge yao.
Ĩrai fridge. And you see every time you see maundu maya makuriha kahora makiukiriria muno ri there is a problem in there.
It is a sign of an ailing economy.
Exactly.
Na ndikyo yathira vita muno matuko mau.
It had thrive.
And today it's thriving.
Oh yes. Yoko ya sofa set.
Okay, dunga.
YRT African Retail Traders.
We
Amido. Ukoya siga ekohererwo marura iguru. Yes.
Kabatio.
Na no siga riu metha waku wa kando kiongo kia machine ugathi unyite.
No, yo ni ohoro wothe.
Yo engine.
Yo ni ohoro wothe. Metha no ithie.
Na no singa yendeirwo riri. No eno engi nigetha urute engine ri. Ni ohoro yoku. Okuwe. Ona wacoka gutumirwo gathanduku rugongo. Singa ni ingiragia thiini ya convertible. Igatuika metha.
Ne kahingwo igatuika metha.
Yes. It was a convertible. We are from the struggle.
Eda ya na hote.